I'm going to show you how you can connect Nova onto Bullx. First off, from Bullx here, you want to go ahead and go to Wallet here, Wallet Manager. Now on Wallet Manager, you want to go ahead and pick on Solana because that's what we're currently using. Now on here, you want to tap on New Wallet. Now once you tap on New Wallet, you can see this is what it will look like. Now on New Wallet, you want to tap on these three dots here, and then you want to tap on Make it Primary, right? Now once that's done, let's start importing it. Now sometimes the option will not be available, but you can see this is what the option will look like, and this is what the UI will look like. Now you will need to enter in your private key, and I'm going to show you how you can get that on Nova. Now you want to go ahead and go to the Telegram bot for Nova, and then you want to tap on menu like this. Now tap on menu like this. Now on here, you want to go ahead and go to wallets like this. Now on wallets, you want to tap on export private key like this. Now once you have this, select on a wallet you want to import, tap on W1, and then that will be your private key. Make sure to copy and paste that and never share it with anyone. Now once you have that private key, you just have to enter it into the Bullx Neo menu right here, and then your wallet will be imported.